Hi there! In this lesson, I will guide you on how to organize your layers to simplify your workflow. This is a fundamental skill that will transform the way you work in Procreate. While the process may seem complicated to some, especially if you're new to this field, I am confident that with my guidance, you will find it easy and enjoyable to learn. Layer arrangement helps you work in a systematic manner. It reduces mistakes and saves your time and effort in correcting errors. It will also make it easier to edit specific layers later on. I have my own way of layer arrangement that I've been doing for years. This way helps me tidy up my previously chaotic, non-arranged layers in a more efficient way. I don't mix colors as much as I did before. Let me tell you, it's such a blessing when I know exactly which layer I'm working on and I don't get nervous. The layer arrangement is as follows: sketch, base color, shadow, light, and details. As you can see, the layers of this painting have already been separated and arranged. To clearly see the sketch details while painting, I always place the sketch layer on top and reduce the opacity. The base layer is used to create an outline shape and fill in the base color. The color used should be the middle shade of the overall image, not too dark or light. The shadow layers typically use a clipping mask, so it always sits on top of the base layer. This ensures that the color does not go outside the edges while painting. In this illustration, the shadow layer can be split into 5 layers, depending on the complexity of the petals. All these layers will use clipping masks with the base layer. The more you add shadow, the more realistic the illustration becomes. My suggestion? You can start with a little darker shade than the base color, and then gradually add more darkness. As shown in this image, darker colors are applied on the edges of the petals and become darker in the overlaid areas. This layer is for the lighter parts of the image. It still uses clipping masks with the base layer. The color used is brighter than the base color, but not too white. As shown in the illustration, it will be painted in the raised area. Same with the shadow. You can gradually build up the lightness to create smoother shades of colors. The final step in painting is the detail layer. This layer usually uses the brightest color, such as the highlights on the petal edges. Also, include dark colors in some areas that have details or patterns. And that's it! I hope you find it helpful. Don't forget to arrange your layers to work more efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like or leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. As a thank you, loyal subscribers receive a 10% discount on my Procreate Masterclass. Check the description for coupon code. See you in the next video.